Welcome back for another episode of Forgotten Gear Restorations. I'm ducking out inside of a very crowded library with two kids who don't want to do homework on a weekend and make their lives easier, but not to worry. We're going to sit here and take a peek at a quick update on this lovely Jackson Newcastle 30. And there's a little bit of progress, but we're going to wait on some stuff. All right, Dodge. So here's a final update while we wait for the tubes to come in. And I'm going to have to move the camera. Let's see if I can do it without making a racket. Okay. So just a heap of really bad solder joints. And that's kind of what I experienced in a subsequent Jackson amp that I had worked on. But in particular, around the tube sockets. Once I finish scrubbing the board down, it'll be a little bit easier for you to see there. But then you'll notice some really nice and obvious solder blobs there. The camera's trying to track on the filter caps. Where are we at? See, like these guys there, you can kind of see. But a lot of good solder joints too, but we want them all to look nice. So I had to do some reinforcement work solder-wise to the other components. Probably making you seasick. You can kind of see down there that it's big 5 watters. Same thing with the 25 watt resistors here. So that's about it for now. So we're gonna wait for those tubes to arrive. Should be Tuesday or Wednesday, and then we will be in business. Bye.